Hello everyone, welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 733 named flat fill. In this problem, we are given an integer grid and we have to perform the flat fill algorithm. So here, initially, each cell of the grid corresponds to a color value and we are given a starting position, a starting row and a starting column and the respective color. Now, we have to fill the grid with this color starting from this cell, and the connectivity of the grid is horizontal and vertical. That means it is 4 directionally connected. Now let's understand the first example. Here it is a 3 by 3 grid and some of the value are 1, some of them are 0. So from the source and column 1 and 1, which is this red cell, we have to make it color equal to 2 and repetitively do the algorithm into its 4 direction. So after making the color equal to 2 in this cell, after sum of the iteration, the grid will become something like this. This last element of the last row cannot become 2. So this is the final output. And this is the basic intuition of the flat fill algorithm. Now let's move on to the actual algorithm. In this problem, to understand the algorithm, we have taken the same example. Here, we will use the depth first search to solve the problem. And according to the problem statement, a cell is 4 directionally connected. That means it can go, or we can go from a cell up, down, right or left. Now, initially, our search starts from this cell, which is equal to in the middle. And we have to make it color is equal to 2. So let's make the color equal to 2. Now from this cell, we can go up, right, left or down. So right and down is prohibited because they are different color. So in the upward position, we have the value equal to 1, which is the initial color of this cell. So let's make it equal to 2. From this 2, I can go right and make it equal to 2. I can go left, make it equal to 2. I cannot go up, and I have already went down, or the down cell already visited. So from these 2, we can go right and make it equal to 2. Sorry, it is left. And from these 2, we can go down and make it equal to 2. So after sum of the iteration, these cells becomes equal to 2. That means which is the given color. But unfortunately, this cell cannot become 2 because none of the cells shares the edge of this value 1. Or we can say that this value 1 is connected to the cell which color is 0, which is not the respective color we want. So it is not possible that 1 will become 2. But these 6 cells can become 2. That means we have completed the flat fill algorithm. Here the algorithm is pretty simple. We have to initially start or find the starting position, and from the starting position we can go in 4 of the direction and make the color is equal to the given color. And we will stop if we no longer make any of the cell color changed. I hope you understood the flat fill algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. In this problem, the code is pretty simple. At first, we are given a function named flat fill, which has a 2-dimensional grid, initial ij, and the initial color, or the desired color we want. Now, if the respective cell is equal to color, that means the grid is already applied the flat fill algorithm, so we have to simply return the grid. Otherwise, we have to calculate the dimension of the grid and initialize the initial color of the grid in the respective I and j cell and assign it to the original color. Now we are calling a DFS function with the respective index number and color. Now inside the DFS function, if I or j becomes out of bound, that means I less than 0 or j less than 0, or I greater than or equal to n, or j greater than or equal to n, or it can be possible that the current grid element is not equal to the original color. In those cases, we cannot color anything. So we have to simply return. Otherwise, we have to assign the color value to the corresponding grid cell and recursively call the DFS function into its fourth direction with ij plus 1, ij minus 1, I plus 1j, and I minus 1j with the same grid and the color value. Finally, we have to return the grid. I hope you understood the code. Thank you everyone for watching the video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.